Okay, tell me something honestly. Do you plan your life or do you just wake up and say, आज देखते हैं क्या होता है?
Some people have plan A, plan B, plan C. Matlab
And
alphabets go on and
and then there's
there's
us.
us. Plan kya hai bhai? We have vibes.
Welcome to Talks Without a Map.
Today's topic is plan B people versus leap of faith people. Riddhima, tell me, what is leap of faith, by the way?
Okay, leap of faith is you trust yourself or you have faith in God or universe and then you take that decision according to me.
But slight problem ye hai that we don't belong to either category. we are those third species kind of a species.
Well, I think I belong to both the categories.
See,
है ना?
third
Yeah,
species.
third.
Yeah, think a lot, panic a lot, and then still jump.
Exactly. Overthinking jumpers.
Heart says go for it, brain says mat kar pagal, and body says chalo kar dete hain yaar. I think what people think is that you're very sorted and planned, especially if you are leap of faith or even if you're plan A, plan B, plan C kind of a person. They think you're sorted leap of faith है तो मतलब ये करेगा ये आदमी. इसका विश्वास है भगवान पर, all of that. And plan B, plan C, then obviously people will say you're very practical as a person. Yeah, that's...
Right. But if they see my brain at 2 a.m., it's like there are umpteen number of tabs open because my brain is thinking that time कि ये करूँ वो करूँ ये करूँ ऐसे करूँ. Oh my God.
अरे
I mean, it's
बाप रे.
pure chaos.
Same. See, I don't have plan B. I just have anxiety with confidence.
This is the best definition of us. Anxiety with confidence.
Yeah. I think it's just like we are a little scared, but stylishly scared. Should we say that?
Okay, if you say so. If I was a real plan B person, I would have chosen probably 9 to 5 job, but I never wanted 9 to 5 job.
Oh, exactly. No, I can hear you over here because we belong to a creative field, like our voice work, podcast, content. For you, it's also travel.
Yeah.
Lots of things. But don't you think that these variety of careers that we have are also like plan B, plan C, plan D within a leap of faith kind of so that's what I'm saying. A third person, we're a third species completely.
Yeah, but I think when we have plan B, I think we are more secured. Like चलो ये नहीं चलता है तो वो है. And there are situations like we have to take that leap of faith.
Of course.
Okay, now for example, like see, I applied for New Zealand visa. Okay, and I wasn't sure whether I'll get it because New Zealand visa is like to get New Zealand visa is 50% chance. Okay, I mean when I applied, so but then I said कि if I don't apply at all, कि वो fear रहेगा, तो फिर then I won't be able to visit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I said चलो देखते हैं. At the most क्या होगा?
नहीं मिलेगा.
What worst could happen that my visa money will go for a toss.
That's
right?
more worse actually.
Yeah. But then I took that leap of faith. I said नहीं होगा and I kept telling myself and more than my visa I was worried about my daughter Rashnika's visa because वहाँ पे younger लोगों को visa मिलना and that too about 20 is थोड़ा difficult.
Yeah.
Because my nephew had also applied that time, but his visa got rejected. But somehow Rashnika could get.
Oh, that's good. Good because my Australian visa was rejected the very first time because I couldn't provide necessary documents of my work, which was my silly mistake. Again, my then agent didn't really warn me about this. My mom's got approved because she has an academy. She has a proof that you know. Whereas in my case, I just started working as a voice actor and I'd mentioned that I'm a voiceover artist, and then they are like, they're like you should provide some kind of proof that you're a voiceover artist. So I had to then later when it got rejected and I reapplied, that's when I gathered documents and sheets and proof from studios and coordinators that I work for so and so projects over here in Hindi, in English, in Marathi and other languages, and that I have to come back to Mumbai because of my ongoing projects. Like it's my legit profession that way. So I think these experiences also are instrumental in
Yes.
implementing this kind of an attitude, whether you're a leap of faith person. Because I was a leap of faith person, at least in this category, before my Australian visa got rejected.
Okay.
But then came plan B, plan C. अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे? You know, that way. And now whenever I apply for a visa, I make sure I have my plan J, K, L ready till then.
I would like to give my sister's example also. She's a last moment planner.
Oh.
Like, I at least plan 15 days prior to my travel, but she's like, you know, she is very, very last. Uska to, like, she books her tickets in Tatkal, and like, you know, she's utna uska last moment rehta hai. She doesn't reserve her stay. And she is more of a very spiritual kind of a person, so she likes to visit temples. और वो कहाँ कहाँ हिमालयाज में यहाँ वहाँ, you know, the places I haven't heard of, she keeps visiting those places, and that too nowadays, so she visits solo.
Oh.
What nowadays, even as youngster, she would go solo.
Oh.
So I think that's leap of faith.
That's
right?
completely leap of faith.
Yeah.
I think you need to have that attitude in you.
Yeah.
Some people वो कहते हैं ना कि चाहे जो भी हो जाए,
हाँ.
they never lose that kind of a faith. If they, and they're also, I feel like it's also intuitive. They know that they will do this. They know that this is right for them.
Yeah.
I'm not going to keep plan B or plan C.
Huh.
And some people say that the way to succeed is that when you know that you have plan Bs and plan Cs and plan Ds, maybe your actual plan, your plan A, let's just say, उस पर आप ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते, या फिर आपको पता होता है कि यार ये नहीं चलेगा तो ये करेंगे, तो you don't give your 100%. But I don't agree with that. I just feel like this
it should be situational.
Of course, and I feel like this is all just being practical.
Yeah.
See, as an adult, if something is not working out for you, then obviously you should have other plans ready. इसमें आपने डाल दिया लीप ऑफ फेथ प्लान ए में, और वो कब तक डालोगे ना? तो वो फेथ slowly turning into something called as being practical.
Yeah. Now tell me, while traveling, okay, you are a overpacker kind of a person, और जितने दिन है उतने ही कपड़े लेके जाऊंगा?
I knew this was coming. What about you? You tell me first.
I'm an overpacker.
बाप रे, क्या क्या you pack then?
I mean, I feel कि अरे ये कपड़े सूखे नहीं तो ये यहाँ पे बारिश हो जाएगी, या ठंड तो मुझे इतनी लगती नहीं है, बट स्टिल अगर बिकॉज इफ इट्स विंडी इन लाइक हिमालयाज एंड ऑल, देन थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. देन ये सिचुएशन होगी तो वो सिचुएशन होगी तो सो वहाँ पे मेरा ओवर थिंकिंग एंड ओवर पैकिंग चालू हो जाता है. या
सी फॉर मी व्हाट हैपेंस इज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आई ट्रैवल इट्स विद फैमिली. Okay, and my mom has a similar attitude as yours, that अरे ये हो जाएगा तो ये ले लेंगे, and she'll carry a hell of a lot of things, and so does my dad for that matter. I am more of this कि नहीं, but 6 दिन का काम है तो 6 दिन के ही कपड़े ले लूंगा मैं, and I can repeat maybe if the weather is good I can repeat also. Right? तो इतना क्यों कैरी करना, because आते वक्त वो बढ़ने वाला है वैसे भी, especially if mom is there. so then वहाँ पे थोड़ा leap of faith अच्छा है.
So when you're traveling with your mom and dad, probably you know कि कुछ problem हो जाएगा तो they are there to buy me clothes.
Yeah, not just buy. Mom ने लिया हुआ. I have that kind of thing, you know. Okay. वैसे तो आज तक मुझे याद नहीं. Only good thing she does is whenever we travel internationally, she carries ready to make food. And if at all we plan that सिर्फ 4 दिन की बात होने वाली, she'll carry 8. And it has actually helped us during especially this trip to US right now, where there was no food available at a couple of days, and thanks to her that she had carried extra ready to make food. So that was a savior. Yeah. So I think this attitude of leap of faith or plan B, plan C while traveling also is very important.
Now I just saw.
But sorry to interrupt you, but if you have a leap of faith attitude और ऐसी कुछ catastrophe आ जाए कि खाने का नहीं, but people who have leap of faith, and they'll still figure out somewhere.
That's what I was telling you about my sister.
Yeah.
She doesn't plan anything, and what she always says that I always meet good people, and कभी किसी ने कुछ खाना दिया है, कभी किसी ने कुछ चप्पल टूट गए तो किसी ने शूज़ दिए हैं, like you know that way. अभी तो recently she had gone to Kedarnath. Okay, and that time helicopter service was not available, and her friends were also with her, and like so on while going up, they took those pittu ही बोलता है ना,
I don't know.
The person
Person
carrying,
carrying, okay. Sushant Singh Rajput
ponies,
basically.
and
Okay.
ponies and all. And after reaching there, okay, they stayed there for 1 or 2 days, and then suddenly किसी ने बोल दिया कि हेलीकॉप्टर आज आ रहा है. Okay, and they had very limited cash. And my sister, she doesn't spend on helicopter and all. And she goes at least once a year to Kedarnath, at least. So she gave all her money to her friends, and she was left with barely some 130 rupees. And this is I think last to last year.
Oh.
130 rupees. That 200 rupees she had to pay somewhere up there. And she came down with 30 rupees. Okay, then she didn't have any money. When she reached वहाँ पे जो foothills पे, I forgot the name, Gauri Kund या ऐसा कुछ. Then she called her husband and requested him to transfer some money to one person. Okay, वहाँ पे वो चलता है कि you have to pay that person some commission, and then that person withdraws from his account and give you the money. So that's how she managed. I mean, I said hats off to you.
I know. But you do find, see, if you have a leap of faith, then as long as humanity is there, as long as there is human being around you, तो कट सकता है, मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती उसमें से. बट देयर आर सिचुएशंस लाइक इफ यू हैव टू एडमिट समवन टू द हॉस्पिटल, या फिर आपको कुछ इमरजेंसी आ जाए, देन जनरली वी डोंट सी प्लान बीज एंड प्लान सीज. वी सी दैट अरे हाँ, ये इसका इलाज इस डॉक्टर ने किया हुआ है, या ये हॉस्पिटल है जहाँ जान पहचान के लोग हैं, so I will admit this person here, or let's take treatment over here. So that is leap of faith. But you don't know what is going to happen.
Yeah.
But that time you don't think, अरे but if I admit this person to that hospital, तो क्या होगा, इस hospital में क्या होगा, maybe it'll be little सस्ता, or you know, little better quality. That time the leap of faith comes into picture, because we are in that emergency kind of a situation at that time.
But suppose if you are in an unknown area, then you have to go by leap of faith.
You have to. You have no option. I mean, okay, अभी I remember we had gone to Bandhavgarh, and my parents had gone there on that boat ride, which is amidst those marble rocks.
Okay.
Yeah, जहाँ पे रेखा की फिल्म है ना, वो खून भरी मांग, वो शूट हुई है. And my mom says that while coming back, it was post sunset. I was at the hotel, and they both had gone for the ride, and उसमें मगरमच्छ होते हैं पानी में. And mom says that it was just me, dad, and 2 hatte-katte mard on the boat. She said that was a leap of faith.
Yeah.
I mean, anything they could have done there.
Yeah.
In the middle of the lake. But you still have faith.
Yeah.
Right.
See, now, just sometime back we were talking about marriage, right?
Yeah.
About your marriage, right? Again, that marriage is somewhere leap of faith, right?
हाँ, मतलब वहाँ plan B, plan C.
It's a gamble, so you have to. So I always say life is a gamble, and marriage is तो 100% gamble. चली तो चली, नहीं तो That's the thing. But I still feel like in marriage now there are people taking plan B's and plan C's. Yeah.
Whether it is mutual may separation. Or some people just believe in not being monogamous.
Yeah.
So they have plan B's कि ये नहीं चली शादी तो we'll still remain in touch. But we'll not label as
but our
husband
time it
and
was
wife. हाँ, उस वक्त तो अलग था. But now marriage के चलते भी there are plan B's and plan C's. Then another plan B, plan C is if you don't have a kid, चलो हम कुत्ता ले लेंगे or something like. So that's also, otherwise पहले leap of faith था that अरे नहीं ऐसे कैसे नहीं होगा, ये बच्चा होगा यार.
And earlier people would work towards कि marriage ये कैसे भी, like they would make adjustments or what should I say, come में what, like they would try to work
on it.
Yeah. तो अभी वैसा नहीं है because options are available.
Options are, and also like I feel in today's day and age everybody is inevitably becoming plan B, plan C person because पहले था ना कि भूख लगी है देन मॉम ने कुछ बनाया होगा, या भूख लगी है अभी हम कुछ बनाते हैं एंड आई नो दैट आई कैन मेक दिस सो एंड सो वेरी वेल. नाउ वी हैव प्लान बी. आई डोंट वांट टू ट्रबल माय मॉम. आई जस्ट ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम
And
Swiggy.
there are innumerable options available
Isn't
in the
it?
market, na?
Yeah. So I have plan B's and plan C's ready,
हाँ.
rather than a leap of faith that mom बनाएगी या मैं
हाँ.
mom को बनाऊंगा and then she'll have the time to do it for me, or I'll have that much time that I'll make it for myself.
Yeah. जब Blinkit या Swiggy, Zomato नहीं था, तो
तब
क्या
तो
करते
यही
थे?
था ना. And of course we had restaurants and home deliveries, but then that was so rare.
No, but as a mom, मुझे भी पता है कि चलो मैंने आज कुछ बनाया नहीं
Exactly.
ना, so my kids can still order from somewhere and they can survive.
Yeah. So
वो
because
taunts मिलेंगे वो अलग बात है, but
taunts में भी plan B plan C होते हैं. Anyway, my point is that with options that we are getting today,
हाँ,
inevitably we are becoming plan B people.
yeah.
And I still have a lot of admiration towards the people who are still leap of faith ones. Not that I'm saying that plan B, plan C people are not good, because I am one of those.
Yeah.
Like both of us were a mix of the two.
Yeah.
But I know a few people who are complete leap of faith people, and I have
somewhere
complete
you
respect.
Somewhere you have to you have to rely on leap of faith.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose abhi whenever you go to a doctor, what is that? That is leap of faith.
Exactly.
Right?
That's the medical thing I was talking
Yeah.
about. Yeah.
If you don't trust that doctor, then you won't be cured, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you won't be cured as in because अंदर से you are doubting his abilities.
Yeah.
Then how will it work,
That's
right?
there. Like पहले इंडिया में था that if you want a good car, it has to be Maruti Suzuki.
हाँ.
You know, that was leap of faith.
Yeah. अभी मारुति में ही
There are so many options.
अभी Nexa आ गया. तो
And so I think because of options and because of more clarity and more visibility, or
and
we can
people
go
have
on.
become more analytical
Yeah.
also. See, our days, like, I think we worked more on leap of faith, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And बाद में then options जैसे जैसे available
बढ़ते
होने
गए.
लगे, even we started having plan A, plan B, plan C. अभी तो plan Z तक भी जाता
Yeah,
है.
that's what I'm saying. Alphabets भी कम पड़ जाते
Yeah.
हैं. But I think it's also nice. Depends on how your mental framework is. It's also nice to have plan Bs and plan Cs because you feel secure that way. Like I am a person, I'm a creative person. I am an artist. I have a lot of things. Like I wear a lot of hats. So do you. But sometimes I like to also think or manifest in a way that अगर मैं ये भी कर पाऊँ तो, like I was telling you, I want to expand abroad now.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have plan Bs and plan
Yeah, as
Cs.
we say, YOLO.
YOLO, as we say YOLO. So it's nice to say that, listen, I love my work here, but I don't know what the future beholds. And as a plan C maybe, let's अभी मेरे plans कहाँ तक आ गए? But let's say plan E तक अभी अगर मैं आ गया हूँ, I would say my plan E is to maybe work abroad as well.
Yeah.
You know, some part of the year I would like to be somewhere else. So I can earn from there, I can have different experiences out there, rather than having a leap of faith कि मैं पूरे साल यहीं रहूँगा और यहाँ मुझे काम मिलता ही जाएगा. That is leap of faith.
Yeah.
So rather than that, it's also nice that you feel more secure, right?
Even I'm like, calculated risk taker. Like I'll see कि यहाँ पे कितना risk है, वहाँ पे कितना risk है, and I base my decisions are based on that. And if I'm ready to take that risk, then I go for it. Like,
Perfect.
as I say कि I always wish for the best, but I'm also prepared for the worst. And if I'm ready, if I want to take any decision, and if I'm ready for the worst, then I take that decision.
Yes, absolutely. Abhi tak now I feel like in today's day and age, the only area where there is still a lot of leap of faith is the faith you have on your parents or your family, basically. वहाँ plan B, plan C क्या होता है?
Yeah.
I mean, there is still, like, once you're independent, then you know that if you're not happy, then you can move out, or maybe you will have someone else in your life. But then still, there is always a leap of faith.
Yeah.
There is always faith that my parents will do it for me.
Yeah.
My parents will be there for me.
Yeah.
Well, they'll hear me out, or my family is there to support me. So वहाँ अभी तक prominently plan B, plan C नहीं आया, at least in Indian households.
But maybe in your parents' absence, like,
Yeah.
then.
But that won't be plan B, plan C. That will be reality.
Yeah.
What I mean is.
But again, there, I think what I feel, see, किसी को भी कितने भी plans होने दो, but एक ऐसा point होता ना जहाँ पे leap of faith only works.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
take any example.
Like how I was going to come at your place, I knew that you were going to make food. So that is leap of faith. I didn't have plan B that Ridhima ke ghar jaunga, then Zomato pe kya aayega. No, it was not that. Yeah. Anyway, sorry, you were saying something.
No, so like, you take any decision. Like, suppose abhi I'm petrified of, like, being underwater. Okay. So, but still, when I wanted to go for rafting, I took that leap of faith कि नहीं, क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डूब जाऊंगी ना, एंड डूब जाऊंगी तो गंगा मैया के
डूबे.
No.
Anyway, so one thought to ponder upon is: are we brave to be having leap of faith, or are we mad to be having plan Bs and plan Cs and plan Ds? So let us know, what kind of a person are you? Are you a plan B person? Are you a leap of faith, or are you like us. Who is a proper mixture of the two things? You want to add something, Ridhima?
I feel no matter what, everybody somewhere has to depend on leap of faith.
I love how you have put it, but I also have plan Bs and plan Cs. Huh?
Of course. Having said that, I think the last ultimate thing is leap of faith.
Oh, rightly put. Okay. So have a leap of faith, all of you, that the only podcast you'll listen to and you'll enjoy would be Talks Without a Map. Bye-bye.